Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mo from Top Tech Media. I hope everybody is keeping very well. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you about the latest gadgets, tips, techniques to help you grow on your channel and so much more. So make sure you hit the bell notification as well as the notification to tell you when I upload my next video. So on today's episode, I think it's episode unboxing number 3, I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. So we've got a few more products from Amazon, so let's get started. Okay, so like always, I'll be providing links in the description box below so you can check out these gadgets from Amazon itself and check out some extra notes that I might put in. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube and many more platforms. I'll link it in the description box below. So let's get started, and we are going to start with the ones that are already kind of out of their box. Firstly, we've got a Campark T40. So this is an outside camera, so it will record in the night. It's got a 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel still image resolution camera as well. So you can actually switch between the actual pixels, as well as it records in 1080p. And it's got a 2.4 TFT LCD display. So let's take a closer look inside. So here's the camera unit over here. Let's see what else they put in the box. They have some. Okay, so we've got a charging cable, a strap to secure it, I think somewhere like on a tree or something. And okay, so it's got some nice heavy-duty mounts, quite weighty actually. So there you have it. This is what the camera looks like. It looks like a little mini chest, so it's got some little clips to open it. I believe that's how you access the inside of it. Let's take a closer look. Oh wow, okay. So it's like a secret walkie-talkie type of thing. So I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that's how it looks. Also, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 8 AA batteries. I don't know if you can actually charge it. It says, yeah, so you can charge it via a DC adapter. I'll do a separate video for this. Okay, so next up we'll go for this small box over here that I have ordered. I've got a rough idea what this is. These are simple little items, so you actually put them, they replace your spotlights. If you are using spotlights in your house, you can use these instead. A nice silver finish to it. It's got a nice glittery silver finish, and you just pop it into your spotlight socket, and it comes with there's 4 individual light bulbs there, but you can actually control it singly by just pointing the control at the actual light bulb itself. So that's pretty cool, and it's got quite a lot of colors that you can choose from. I don't know if you can see that from there, but yeah, you get the idea. So let's go for this one over here. I don't know what's inside of this one. That's failed. Okay, let's do it again. It's a bit better. So this is a Bluetooth audio receiver. So you actually literally just plug it in to your car or your phone, and it transmits via Bluetooth. So if, for example, for argument's sake, you have a UX connection in your vehicle, then you can actually just plug this in, and you can actually pair it onto your phone and play music via the AUX, but Bluetooth as well. So you don't need an AUX cable connects your phone, so you get rid of the cable element and you just put this in. So it gives you a more hands-free, hassle-free experience. So it's got a 3.5mm jack and the other end as well. So we'll put that one down, and it comes with the receiver. So I'm assuming that's where you charge. You charge on one side and you plug in the other side, the 3.5 3.5mm jack. It comes with a nice little clip over here as well. I think you can take it off. It's got a little mini screw, so you can take it off if you are carrying it around and just want to, you don't want to clip it anywhere. And that connects. Nearly broke that, like that. And then that goes into maybe your phone or your car, or any other audio devices that you're willing to use it with. Give this one a go and see if this one opens up. Bingo! Got it. Okay, we have another smart bulb. It works with Alexa. Changing bulb works with Alexa, RGB color, wireless standard, the IE 802.11 BGN, lamp holder, E26, E27 and E22. Like I said, I'll link these products in the description box below. And the great thing about this one over here is it's got 30,000 hours of on time, and that's insane. So if you do the maths, I don't actually know how many days that works out to be, or how many years that works out to be, and you can control it by your phone. So if you've got an app, well, the app comes with it, so you just install it and use it like that. And this is how the bulb looks like. So it's quite nice actually, to be honest with you. It's got a nice stylish finish to it. It's got a nice metal rim, as well as it's a screw bulb, so easy fixing over there. I'll do a video on its own on that one. Okay. Oh, this one's a little bit more heavier. I got excited. Okay, come on, let's have a look inside this one. Wi-Fi spy camera. Okay, nice box. I think I had one of these products from the same company before. I'm not sure actually. I'll have to check myself. I don't even know myself. So let's open this up. Oh right, okay. All right, so this should be interesting for you guys. Okay, I did receive one of these, and I got another one. And the reason why I got the other one is because I will be doing a giveaway for this one. So make sure, I'm going to do a video for this one on its own, and that video will be for the giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss the videos. I like this product. I like their products actually, I should say, because this is, I think, my second or third product from this company. I think they do make some high quality products, and this is a cross-tour dash cam. So I know I have an action cam from this company, but this is a dash cam. They've sent it over for me to test it out. So let's open it up and take a look inside, how it looks. It records in 1080p, and it's got 170 degree angle of recording, and it's got a big 3.7 LCD display, and it comes with a 2M CMOS processor. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe the processor itself is actually used in the Sony camera of some sort. So it's quite a powerful processor. So you can open this box. Okay, user manual. So it's got an accessories box, and don't know what this is. It's not labeled. Okay, so it comes with some cables, and they've given some extra cables. Okay, a suction cup and some metal contacts, or some bronze contacts for the actual camera to go onto. So let's take a look at the camera itself. Wow, this looks pretty decent. So check this out. So it's got a nice 2.7-inch display, if I can remember, say somewhere there. Yeah, 2.7 display, and it's quite wide. So you know, normally you can get one of these small ones, and this is actually a very nice wide one. So it's got a power button, menu button, record button. Oh, it's actually come on. Oh wow, okay. I didn't actually think that they actually, I thought they actually operate on inside of the car. Ooh, that's nice. So let's go for the middle one and leave these ones till last. Okay. a massive box for a small product. This is from a company called ZK Creation. I believe I've received their products before, and they are of a good quality. These are quite cheap to purchase, and I'm going to tell you what it is as I'm opening it. Okay, so let's get inside of the box and show you what they are. A smartwatch. Wow, okay. So I've got another smartwatch from this company. This might be another giveaway as well. This is a very nice looking one. So it's got a nice rounded finish, as you can see. It's got one little button or something like that there, so it's nice and clicky over here, and that's your charging connection just there, charging port connection. Don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's take a closer look and open this up. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a nice battery, a small battery inside. I don't know how nowadays they squash everything in such a small device, and it's also got a SIM card tray as well as a micro SD card tray as well. It's insane. This is insane, I tell ya. Okay, so it comes with a charging cable inside over here as well, and a user manual as well. So I'll save that for another video for you guys to have a look. I need one of those army knives or something like that. Is that what they call it? I don't know. The ones like Super Sam, he uses. I need one of those. I don't know if you guys want to give me one of those as a gift. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. From a company called Kotek. I've used this company before. They are a really good company, a nice company to deal with. The customer service is pretty decent as well. So I have, or my wife has, a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So you know, it comes with a built-in wireless charging facility, and I thought, why not get her a wireless charger as well. So this is the product I've got. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. I chose this for a few reasons, and you'll see why. Okay, let's take out the side of this box. Okay, so this is the charging dock itself, or charging station, and it comes with a USB charging cable and a couple of leaflets. Nothing too serious. That's it. Okay, so it comes with a charging cable. I believe if you want to be able to use this charger really fast for charging your phone, I think you need to be putting this cable on to your existing fast charger and then connecting it up. Although the fast charging is enabled, you're not going to get it out of just this cable or just a standard socket or standard charging dock. You actually need the original fast charging unit that actually came with your phone itself. So let's open this up and take a look inside. Check this out. So such a nice sleek design. So it's got a charging port at the back, and it's a nice stand. Such a simple concept. So I believe you just put your phone on there and it just charges. It's amazing technology nowadays, isn't it? Let's So this is from a company called Corporate. It's meant to sound like corporate, I think. I don't know. With full functional cloud storage. All video data will be stored in the cloud server. You can access them without the camera. Wow. Now this is something that I would definitely be using. HD recording, a built-in microphone that has a two-way intercom. Out of the box, it comes with a Cat 5 cable, I believe this is. User manual. So it comes with a nice little something, cradle, maybe. Don't know what it is, we'll find out. And let's take this out. So it looks like a mini robot. Okay, I'm not going to twist it. I'm assuming it rotates by itself once the device is powered on. I believe it rotates 360 degrees. Built-in pan and tilt module, and yeah, so that's the connection for the cable over here. It comes with a TF card reader slot, so you can put a micro SD in there, reset, and you've got your standard DC charging port over here. Okay, so it comes with a charging block, which looks very similar to the Apple sockets, Apple plugs. Okay, so it's got a micro USB charging cable. Oh wow, okay. So this kind of looks like a Samsung charging. I don't know if that's the idea. I'm going to be leaving these links in the description box below. Let me know if you guys like the video. Make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll do individual videos for these, and there's giveaways coming up, so I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.